Hey, my YouTube family. Happy Wednesday. It's a blessing to be here. Welcome to Essential New Orleans. I'm Miss D. Today I'm going to be making a quick and easy quesadilla. I'm going to do some tomatoes, some fresh corn. I have some broccoli slaw. I have some bell pepper, black beans, refried beans, and I have some turkey cutlets from leftovers. So that's what I'm going to be using to make my quesadilla. So I'm going to turn my camera away and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing, okay? I'm going to put a little oil in a skillet. But first, before I put my little flats, my little wraps, that's what I use. That's what I use. I'm going to quickly saute my corn. I just want a little bit of everything. Like, I'm not really that hungry today, but I just want you guys to see what I'm doing. I already did the I have a little chicken. I have my refried beans, my black beans, my broccoli slaw, and my fresh tomato. So I'm just gonna saute my corn again. I'm gonna saute my corn, not again. Just put a little black pepper, and I'm gonna put just a little salt, and that's it. And I'm just gonna stir that around. That's all. Stir it around. Just cook it just a little bit. That's all. This is the fresh corn that came off the kernel, and I just slice it off the cob. I'm sorry, off the cob. So it's just a little corn. I don't want too much, because you know I'm still on my diet. I'm doing so good, y'all. Lost some weight. Like, I need a belt. I need a belt for my pants. But that's a good thing, because when your health is good, you feel good. So I've talked to you guys many times about, my health and things like that, So, like I said, this is just a quick and easy quesadilla. I'm just hoping that, like always, you enjoy my show. And I'm just going to take this corn and just put it over here with the rest of my stuff. Now, I'm just going to put my little flat wraps in here. Okay. Got something in my throat, excuse me. I'm just going to brown them a little bit using a little olive oil, like I always use. I want them brown on both sides. I mean, I don't want them cooked too much where they're going to be too hard, you know what I'm saying? So I have 4 of my little wraps that I'm going to be using today. I don't want them to. I just want to warm them up a little bit, and then I'm going to leave them in the skillet a little longer so they can have like a little crunch. And what you can use any kind. If you want to use like a little ranch dressing or any kind of little condiment you might be having a taste for, you can use that, to do dippings and things of that nature. But I said, you know what, this is a really good little show to go ahead and to show my YouTube family. Then I got one more. Then I'm going to show you, I'm going to put it back in the skillet. Then I'm going to add all of my ingredients to my little wraps. And that's how I make my quesadillas. Nothing fancy, economical. I got this from the Dollar Tree. Everything that I'm using is not expensive. So I'm going to put my little wrap back in there, and then I'm going to add my refried beans like this. This is how I'm doing it. And then I'm going to add my chicken. I'm sorry, my little turkey cutlets. That's what I'm going to be adding. Like I'm not in the mood for a lot of meat today. And then I'm going to add my corn. And a little of the slaw that I was telling you guys about, along with some bell peppers. And then I'm going to finish it off. Then I'm going to finish it off with some cheese. It looks good, huh? I think so. I'm just going to put the cheese on top. I think kids are like this. You know, you could put chicken on it or whatever you want to use. And then I'm going to just push it down like so. It's okay if some of the stuff come out. Then I'm going to turn it over. I know one of my little wraps was smaller than the other, but that doesn't make a difference. And I'm just going to brown that on both sides, because everything is already cooked, pre-cooked. And I'm just going to add just a little drizzle of my olive oil. And I'm just going to whirl it around like that with my hands. My daughter always said, "Mommy, you always putting your hands in heat." Yeah, I know. I've been doing it a long time. But this is something light that I felt like eating. This is a lot. That's a lot. You can get full off of this. Like, you really could. How my girls over 50 doing? I hope y'all doing well. I hope you're taking care of your bodies, you know. Women over 50, spectacular women. You know, we still got it going on. But we do things with class. I know I do. And I know a lot of the ladies that I know, you know, we do things with class, and we enjoy life. We take care of each other. Now, I'm going to, when this gets done, I'm going to have a glass of wine with mine. Not sure them, just a little bit. That's all. Today's Wednesday, you know, humpback Wednesday. And then, let me see how the cheese is coming along. All right, so the cheese is melted, so I'm going to go ahead and take that out. But what I'm going to do is put I'm using paper plates today, y'all, because I don't feel like washing dishes. So I'm just going to take this, sit it on here, like so, and let it cool a little bit. Now, the second one, I'm going to use everything that I used. And I'm going to use I'm going to add black beans to mine. Because, you know, some people, you know, they don't like a lot of legumes, beans. But, you know, beans are filling and they got a lot of fiber and they're good for you. So I'm just going to use all of this because I don't like to waste food. Y'all always hear me say that. I know you do. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add my chicken. I'm going to add my chicken. And then I'm going to add, like I said, everything that I had. Add my corn. Don't that look good though, y'all? Look at that. You know, what I did, I just sauteed my bell pepper and my broccoli slaw. And then I'm going to add my black beans. No, I don't want too many because I already got the refried beans and then my black beans. And then I'm going to be done in a few minutes. And then I'm going to add my cheese. Going to add my cheese. And then finish it off, I'm going to add some beautiful tomatoes. Well, tomato, yeah. Isn't that beautiful? That really is pretty. And that's it. That's a quick and easy quesadilla, y'all. I'm just going to press down on it a little bit. It's okay if it come out because I'm still going to eat it. Trust and believe that. It's okay if you make a little boo-boo, but this is called life. Nothing's perfect, y'all. You just press it down a little bit. You know, if you're not used to the heat, you know, wear gloves. Wear gloves to protect your hands. Isn't that? That is so nice. It's so overpacked, but that's okay. I don't think I'm gonna turn it anymore. So I'm gonna get another tissue to put underneath here. Let me see how that's looking. Okay, one more time. Oh yeah. And then that's it. I'm gonna take it out the skillet. Y'all know Miss D love a skillet, like I always tell y'all. You gotta stay in on each anyway. And that's it. And that's it. This is my rendition of a quick and easy quesadilla. You see that? And I'm gonna get my little, well, I have my little, oh here it goes, my little cutting device right here, like my roller, I cut my pizza with. And I'm just gonna cut it like this. Yeah, no one's being lazy today, y'all. So that's why I don't have no plates and all that, no fancy plates. I think these paper plates are just fine. This thing is really sharp, I'm telling y'all. And that's it. Let me try to pick this up. You see? And that's my quesadilla. Like I said, you can put whatever you want in it. You don't have to add any kind of meat. You can add seafood if you like. It's a quick and easy quesadilla. Like I said, it has corn, bell pepper, broccoli, slaw. I have refried beans. I have black beans, and I have cheese and tomatoes. And that's it. That's it. As usual, family. I'm just gonna do a little taste. But this is my dinner. I'm gonna eat this for my dinner. Like I didn't feel like all that cooking today because I didn't have time. And let me see. So good. This is very healthy and so delicious. And like I said, you can use any kind of condiments if you want to dip it or drizzle on top. It's really good. I did all of this less than 15 minutes. I'm telling you. I just want to say thank you for always watching my shows. I appreciate it. It's always a blessing to be here. And you have a good day, a good evening.